Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. By executing a contract, you agree to the terms and conditions and show that you are willing to be legally bound by them. Let's break down everything you will need to do to execute a contract or agreement properly. Step 1 might sound obvious, but it is where most mistakes happen. Read and make sure you understand the entire contract. Don't assume you understand a particular clause and don't feel pressured into signing until you are confident. Speak to a lawyer or accountant if necessary. Sometimes, such is the case with many financial agreements, you are obligated to seek independent counsel. Once a document is signed, it is difficult to void a contract. Failing to understand the fine print is not considered a legal defence for breaking an agreement. If you disagree with a clause, ask for an amendment. While not legally required, many people ensure their contracts and agreements are initialed on each page. This adds further evidence that the entirety of the document was examined and understood. It also decreases the chance of the document being tampered with in the future. When a document is signed, it must be by all affected parties, with each signature clearly linked to the name of the person or representative. This signature should also be dated. Some signing pages may ask for further information such as titles or addresses. If you are signing as a company representative, you must follow the rules laid out by Section 127 of the Corporations Act. For more information about these rules, please check out our link below. If you sign an agreement with a company, you should search to confirm that the other signatories have appropriate rights. Parties can sign agreements at different times in the presence of a witness. Such a contract will be valid if all parties receive copies of the finalised contract. You could also discuss using other options such as counterpart agreements. To learn more about what you need to do to ensure a signed contract is valid, check out the link below. And if you want to solve common legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel.